ballot boxes.
Former presidents of some African countries are leading different international observer missions for the 2023 presidential and National Assembly elections. The missions include ECOWAS, the African Union, and the Commonwealth. The missions are holding a joint media briefing to present their preliminary findings from the exercise.
The visible presence of security agents discharging their duties in accordance with the provisions of the law in some polling units. However, they were inadequate. The professional conduct of polling officials, as well as some ad hoc staff who demonstrated inadequate knowledge of their duties, especially with the voting materials.
Election procedures designated 8:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. as the voting time. 6 hours do not provide sufficient voting time frame considering the huge voter population in Nigeria, the largest democracy in Africa.
The missions have their recommendations.
And to conclude, as the results process continues, let me end by reiterating the desire that all Nigerians, especially the candidates who contested elections, continue to uphold their pre-election commitment to peace. The group strongly encourages all Nigerians to exercise patience to allow INEC and its staff across the country to conclude the results process effectively and peacefully.
The reports are similar to the findings of the European Union, the National Democratic Institute, and the International Republican Institute.
Despite the much-needed reforms from the Electoral Act of 2022, the elections still fell well short of Nigerians' legitimate and reasonable expectations. Logistical challenges and unchecked multiple incidents of political violence overshadowed the electoral process and impeded a substantial number of voters from participating.
Insecurity prevented INEC from accessing some areas and it suffered attacks on its premises and personnel, including just days before voting. This hindered preparations in affected areas and instilled fear in voters. Overall, stakeholders expressed confidence in INEC's independence and professionalism and voter information efforts early